ang binibuild nyo sa kumpanya nyo is a sports team. Pakisabi, sports culture. Ano yung major na problema nyo sa kumpanya nyo ngayon? Ask me what? Ginawa nyo siyang pamilya. Hindi tayo magkakapamilya dito, ladies and gentlemen. Magkakatrabaho tayo, yes or no? Have you seen any sports organization that actually works and is built like a family? In fact, here's what happens. Ask me what? They become a family after they started performing. Nagigets nyo? They became a family after they did their job well. Are we clear? Ano yung sinasabi natin paminsan sa kumpanya? Guys, magkakapamilya yun, naging entitled. Letter A, character. Bakit kita gagawing pamilya kung feeling ko anytime pwede kang umalis? Bakit kita gagawing pamilya kung hindi kita mapagkatiwalaan? Bakit kita gagawing pamilya kung kapag nakakita ka ng greener pasture, aalis ka bigla or tatalon ka na lang? What I would say the viruses of an organization. Number one is because you're treating them a family, you don't even know them. Kunyari, si Ma'am Lady, okay lang ba Ma'am Lady gawin kitang example? First time tayo nagkita, tapos sabihin ko, Ma'am, pakasal na tayo. Papayag ka ba? Eh bakit sa kumpanya ganyan? Uy, welcome to the family. No, we're not family yet. Pakita mo muna if you're deserving to be a family member. Bakit ko to sinasabi sa inyo? Ask me why. Di ba kasi because in the HR interview, lahat naman sila, they're the most motivated, dedicated team worker of all. Tama, mali? Nakapasok na ba kayo ng interview? They're a team worker. They can work under pressure. They can multitask. Tama, mali? Binigyan ka lang ng mabulaklak na salita, sinagot mo agad. Babalik tayo sa first culture that we'd like to share with you, the power of mentorship, the power of internship, the power of OJT. Ito lang makuha nyo, promise, magkano kikitain nyo dito sobrang laki without so much effort. I'm literally giving you the practical steps that creates an organization develop. Are we clear? Character. Pero pwede po bang lagi siyang on time, magaling siya na team worker, pero yung competence niya mahina? Yes or no? Competence letter A is comprehension. O, sino dito? Hardworking naman siya, pero talagang hindi siya makagets. Okay naman siya. Pero talagang para siyang hotdog sa freezer. Ito yung kapag sinabihan mo, nakatulala lang, nakaganyan lang sa'yo. Katanggap-tanggap, hindi. O, ba't mo tinanggap? Letter B, na-check yung character. Klaro? Na-check yung comprehension. Yes? Eh, hindi magaling yung competence. Letter B is training. Kapag okay na yung character and comprehension, then you can actually just have them attend training. Can I be honest with you? Training, ladies and gentlemen, is non-negotiable. You don't have to be in IM Plus forever. I'm not saying that.